everybody, welcome to America's favorite game show, Geometric Squares. I'm your host, Peter Polygon, and we've got a great game for you today with two fabulous contestants. Graciatron, she's originally from Michigan. Douglas Skelly here, originally from Wolfboro, New Hampshire. Miss Tron, we flipped a coin backstage, and you recall that you won that toss, so you have the first selection of our board over here. What would you like to select?
I will select the triangle.
The triangle! Triangle, you're not looking so well today. Anything wrong with you?
I have a little Q pain in my interior angles.
Well, here's your question, Triangle. How many sides does a quadrilateral have?
That would be 4 sides.
4? He says 4. Miss Tron, do you agree or disagree? Quadrilateral, 4 sides.
I agree.
She agrees. 4 is correct. Circle gets the square. Over to X. Your turn. Mr. Skelly, what would you select?
I would like Pentagon, Peter. Thank you.
Pentagon! What does congruent mean?
Oh, geez, Peter, that's a really difficult question. I know that the prefix con means criminal, like an ex-con, so I'm gonna have to go with a bad polygon.
Pentagon says bad polygon. Mr. Skelly, your answer. Do you agree or disagree?
I'd have to disagree with that.
Disagree. What do you think it means, Mr. Skelly?
I'm not sure.
He just thinks it doesn't mean anything criminal. Well, it's a little criminal, but he's correct. It actually means all the sides are equal. All sides are equal. X gets the square. Over to Circle. Miss Tron, please pick a polygon.
I will take the rhombus.
Rhombus?
Did you hear the joke about how the little polygons got to school?
No, I haven't. How do the little polygons get to school?
On the rhombus!
Oh, too much for me there, Rhombus, today. Too much. Nevertheless, here's your question. Miss Tron, help her out, hinder her, whatever you choose. What is the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral?
Wow. Well, we've already determined that there are 4 sides on a quadrilateral, so basing it on that, and the fact that I am in fact a quadrilateral, I know that I have 360 degrees in my interior angles.
360 degrees. Miss Tron, do you agree or disagree?
I agree.
Miss Tron agrees. That is correct! Over to X. Mr. Skelly, please choose a shape.
I'll go with parallelogram. Please.
Parallelogram for the block. What's the difference between perimeter and circumference?
Well, one of them is used with only 4-sided polygons, and that would be perimeter, and circumference is used with everything else.
Perimeter used with only 4-sided polygons, circumference, everything else. Do you agree or disagree with that, Mr. Skelly?
That's a tough one there, Pete. I'm gonna have to disagree with that one.
Ooh, he disagrees. He disagrees. Interesting there. Actually, parallelogram was just joshing you. It's incorrect. You get the square.
Yay!
Extra the block. Perimeter actually has to do with every single shape in the whole human world, except for the circle. Circumference pertains only to the circle, so X gets the square. Miss Tron, he blocked you. Time to block him. Which square are you going to select?
I'll take trapezoid, please, Peter.
Trapezoid for the block.
Did you hear what the complementary angle said to the isosceles triangle?
No, I didn't. What did the, I don't even remember the tagline to your joke.
What did the complementary angle say to the isosceles triangle?
What did the complementary angle say to the isosceles triangle?
Nice legs!
Oh, sometimes you're too much for me, old trap. Here's your question. Name one property of a kite.
A kite? A kite?
Yes, a kite. There's not many other ways to say it, but you can continue to repeat it multiple times.
A kite has 4 equal sides.
Ooh, interesting there. A kite has 4 equal sides. Mistron for the block. Agree or disagree?
I disagree.
Too bad there for trapezoid. That's correct. A kite does not have 4 equal sides. Mr. Skelly, over to you. Which polygon would you like to select?
Well, Peter, I'd like to go with the kite, please.
The kite. Kite, over to you. Here's your question. Is a circle a polygon?
I believe a circle is a polygon.
Circle is a polygon. Mr. Skelly, do you think a circle is a polygon or not a polygon? Agree or disagree?
I disagree.
Skelly disagrees with the circle being a polygon. Well, let's go to the reference book here. Very controversial question, but as we go back in history, poly means many. I think disagreeing was the way to go. Miss Tron, interesting board here. Nobody's picked the middle. Crazy. Which square would you select?
I'll take the middle. I'll take square, please.
Square for the block. Name one condition that you need to suffice in order to be called a parallelogram.
Well, I'm gonna say that the sides, all 4 sides, have to be parallel.
All 4 sides need to be parallel. Now, hold up. The producers are saying that there's a little confusion with the answer. Does that mean all 4 sides need to be parallel to each other, or just each pair of sides need to be parallel?
I'm gonna go with each pair of sides to clarify my answer.
All right, thanks, Square. Over to you there, Circle. She's saying that for a parallelogram to be a parallelogram, pairs of sides need to be parallel. Agree or disagree?
I agree.
Ooh, she agrees. And believe it or not, that is actually criteria to be a parallelogram.
Yeah!
So Circle gets the square and the block. Mr. Skelly, over to you. You've got some options here on the board. You could block or go for the win. Interesting decision. Which do you choose?
Well, I'm gonna go for the win. There, you can go with hexagon.
Hexagon for the win. Serious things on the line here. Let's cut right to the question. Here it is. How many sides does a hexagon have?
Well, I am a hexagon, so I think I'll just count myself. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. 7 sides there, Mr. Skelly. For the win, do you agree or disagree?
I'd have to disagree there, Pete.
Ooh, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides!
Oh no, I must have miscounted myself.
X wins the game!